Winter's already here. It's one of the Black Friday 9, and then you get a free. They're actually raising prices. That's a really nice set. All right, today we have some leaked Black Friday products, and also we do have the top 2 deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. As you guys do know, we got fall season, so all these tools are trending, and some of these are on clearance. This is 110 down from 219. Is a 40 volts 600 CFM blower. This one's the blower combo, the kit. This was 194 with battery and charger. Says 4 amp hour battery and charger included. So that's actually a pretty good deal for that kit. All right, buy one get one free. So you got the chainsaw and get a free battery. That is an 8 amp hour battery. Again, it is fall season, so that's a great item to have. You got to buy this and get this for free. So you got the Hatchet 269 kit. Get a free tool. So any of those tools on the top. Check this clearance out. This is a DeWalt charger, 2 port charger. It is compatible with the touch system, 160. You got a 2 amp hour battery. This is $49 off from 99. All right, winter's already here, guys. In some states, not here though. We're still on the 110, by the way. Anyways, these are nice and warm, nice and thick. So for the winter, these are specially designed for the winter. Definitely check out over those if you want to compare them to the regular ones. Here in Arizona, you can probably do it with the regular ones, but you guys upstate, then you guys are probably gonna need those thicker ones. They look pretty nice. All right, so $19 is $19.98 for these, or $88 for these. 2 pack of blades. You got oscillating and diamond. These are Diablo turbo blades, diamond cut. So these you can cut masonry and all that. 4.5. You got a 3-piece for $24.88. This is a bimetal carbide oscillating blade set from the Diablo. You got a 2+1, so I guess you get a bonus that they call it curved. All right, so they still got the buy one get one free. If you guys don't know, $199 will get you the top tier, and then you get a free tool with that starter kit. There's a high output battery, 5 amp hour batteries. One of the ones that a lot of people get is that transfer pump there. And then the bottom one is 129, which is the lower 2 amp hour battery. You get a free tool. So definitely check it out. And that $199 high output battery, it is a 12 amp hour battery. That's actually a new lower price. Guys, this is the leaked item. This is one of the Black Friday, actually this is, one of the Black Friday deals. And how we know, I'll let you guys know why. All right, so wait, $24.88 for the 3-piece electrician's hand tool. It does include 3 different hand tools. That's actually a pretty dang good deal. And there's a secret on this picture. I'll show you guys how to find out for the Black Friday. All right, so this is the 3-piece. We do have some linesman pliers. We do have some stripping pliers, the strippers, right? And then the 11-in-1, which is really nice. So yeah, definitely check it out, guys. This is a really nice deal. For $24, that's a killer deal on this one. It is one of the newer ones. I never seen this for the previous year, so my guess is they're gonna have newer stuff every year, or at least this year. All right, so let's look at the dates, guys. This is a big one here. So if you guys do see, every item does have a date on the corner. And that's when you know when these deals drop and when they have to put them out and when they have to pick them up. So let's look at the dates. So as you look up on 10/28/2024, you guys know we're not even close to that date. That date is actually, they messed up on this one because they posted it, or they brought it up basically a month early. Because we're barely on the 3rd, 4th. So yeah. And then they're going to have it down. It says the end on 2/2/2025. So we still got a few months for that one. So definitely check it out. That's the way you know you're looking at a Black Friday deal. Like on this one says down 10/20 something. So that's when you know that that is the current deal or the newer deal. Make sure you guys stay tuned because and stay subscribed and hit the like, hit the bell notification because when those deals drop, I will be posting. And if you want to find out early what kind of deals are coming on the Black Friday 2024 and holiday season, this is going to be the place. All right, on to some flashlights. We got $39.97 and $29.97 for these. This is 250 lumen. This is a rechargeable. It does come with a rechargeable cable. You got a 325 lumen on this one. So pretty nice, very compact. The buttons there at the bottom, and then we got some more there on the bottom. All right, so buy one get one free. So this is the item that you have to buy for $199, and then you get a free flashlight or free light. You got the rubber, you got the searchlight, the floodlights. So all those are available for this deal. All the lights are at the bottom. There you see the rubber light there, and then the searchlight at the bottom. So pretty nice rubber light there, and then the searchlight. All right, so on to some more. $249 for the 2-pack of 6 amp hour batteries. That's it right there. Pretty nice. And then you got the chisel set there on the right. That is a 6-piece. That's a really nice set, especially if you're doing a lot of demo work and stuff like that. That's a really nice set to have. $34.97. Even as a DIY, you want to have a set like that if you have those tools. Those rotary hammers. $129 for the 2-pack of batteries. $399 for the 4-tool combo kit. All right, so the 4-tool combo kit there at the bottom. Remember, guys, those are not fuel tools, so keep that in mind. Not top of the line. Talking about some fuel, this is $249 for the impact wrench. This is a mid torque. I do have that beast. That thing's really powerful. And you get a free set of sockets. The one on the right there, that is the free set of sockets you're gonna get. Guys, this is the first time we see these tools without a cage. That is so crazy because every store I go to, I mean, these deals have been out maybe 2 or 3 weeks. This is the first time I go to the store and I do not see these tools behind bars. That is just so crazy how the crime on here in Phoenix, Arizona is growing. It's just so crazy. I mean, you can't shop anymore. $24.97. This is the magnetic tape measure. Is this anti-tear coating, impact resistant, 2-sided printing, and then finger stop. 17 foot reach. Really nice, clear, easy to read. Labeled on both sides, of course, and you got that finger stop there on the bottom. So pretty nice quality on those. You got the 7-in-1s, so easiest cuts. And then again, guys, that 3-tool combo kit the 3-tool Black Friday deal that I showed you guys, that is a really good deal if you want to compare those prices. You got the power stack on clearance for $80. That's from $169. It is a 20-volt power stack. Get the buy one get one free. So you buy the starter kit, get a free tool. This one's $229 for the 2-tool combo kit, impact driver, drill driver, and 2 batteries and charger in case. Qualify for a free tool. You can choose this ratchet, which I would recommend if you don't have it. Definitely go for that ratchet. You got the rotary tool if you like to do some smaller projects. And then you got that impact driver and drill driver combo there at the bottom. All right, another killer deal. This one's a great deal. A lot of you want this one. This one's $199 and get a free pump. So these are practically the same deals. It's just a different presentation or a different side of it. $27.97 for the 16-piece blades. This is from the torch. Get some torch blades, and then you do have some carbide and so different blades. All right, so $229 for this cable stapler. Again, this is the first time I see this, just not behind bars. But yeah, pretty nice. Just keep in mind that this is a cable stapler, and it does require cable stapler staples. So these are the staples that are required with this. And yeah, of course, you're going to get that for free. So make sure you guys pick that up whenever you're at the depot. All right, guys, I don't know what they're doing here. I don't know if they're actually raising prices, but $159 seems to be a little high for me. Guys, do not buy these unless you really need them. Wait for the Black Friday deals. They're just around the corner. I'm pretty sure we're going to start seeing some major pack out, major rolling toolbox or modular storage system deals. One of the new ones that I've never seen, well, actually, they're rare to see at the stores, is this. This is a magnetic tray. It is compatible with the pack out, so you're able to slide that in and lock it. And it's a magnetic bin, basically. $14.98 for the bigger one and $9.98 for the smaller one. So, yeah. All right, talking about some rolling toolboxes. All right, this is a solid wood top. This bad boy here is $2.98 for a 42-inch. That's actually pretty nice. I'm surprised Husky's been, killing it with these quality on these toolboxes. You got the workbench here for $3.29. This is adjustable. You can roll it up or down with that lever. $4.48 for this combo. This is a really nice combo if you're, on a tight space there. Garage is getting a little tight. It's a nice combo. But if you want the premium, this one's really nice and not a lot of money. Not a lot of, empty pockets there. So pretty nice. Lots of room on that one. Big deep drawers on the bottom. And you got a matte finish. This one's $8.48. It is a 56-inch rolling toolbox. And check out the power strip on this thing. This thing runs those 56 inches across the whole toolbox on the back. That is a really, really nice toolbox. If I would have that money, I would buy it, definitely. Especially that matte finish. All right, you got this backpack. If you want a quick comparison here, you got some nice red inside. I do like the red. It's easier to see, especially if it's getting darker out there on the field. So really love the red on the inside, and it is $129. It is compatible with the pack out. Of course, you guys are able to slap that in that pack out. All right, here's another one for comparison. $79, a little bit cheaper, but you do get a little bit less quality, a little bit less color, but still pretty nice, pretty easy to see with that lighter gray. And you got a lot of compartments. All right, talking about the T-walls, we got this one. This was $114. This is Tough System 2.0. I love the yellow. Yeah, again, you want something bright on the inside. Easier on your eyes, easier to find that tool. You got some nice pockets on the front. And again, some more smaller pockets. You guys could put safety glasses, cell phone, whatever you guys got. Throw that in there. And $114 for that. All right, you got this 16-inch tool bag. This parts bin. $49. This is actually pretty nice. Very inexpensive. It's a great quality. And it is self-closing. So all you have to do is just bring it together and it closes by itself. All right, some rolling toolboxes. A lot of you are asking for some rolling toolboxes. We got this one. This is a really good budget toolbox. Great quality. It's on par with the higher end boxes. You got the Ryobi there for $89. You got the Rigid, which was on sale. I managed to pick one of these babies up. Really nice wheels on the Rigid. I gotta say, really off-roady type. Compared to the Ryobi, it seems to be a nicer wheel on the Rigid there. And then you got the DeWalt on the left. If you want to compare the wheels, $119 to $299 from the Rigid. All right, on clearance, we got these performance gloves, $8.94 down from $17.97. These are the XL, and then you got the large on the left side. So pretty nice. And then you got the Firm Grip, the canvas, $16.34. I really love the colors. Really like the texture. It seems to be nice grip, especially if you're handling tools and heavy duty machinery. All right, so M18 Fuel 7.25 circular saw on clearance for $129 from $249. You got the M18 carry-on power supply. This is 3600 watt, 1800 watt running. Check this out. You got there's where you plug it in, obviously with your charge of the batteries, pass through my guess, and then you got the USB Type C, USB Type A, and then that's where you connect your tools that you want to power. You got the battery level there, and if your batteries are getting too hot or whatnot, obviously the battery compartments on the right side. And that's the way it looks, and the battery compartments on the left side, and everything's caged in. So if you drop this, you're not going to hurt the batteries. They might fall off, but you're not going to hurt them directly. and it is compatible with the pack-up. So that's really nice feature. All right, guys, that's it for today. Make sure you guys stay tuned for those Black Friday deals. They will be up soon. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.